Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel EduUdr. I am Heren and this is part 3 of Python series. So in the last session we have seen how to install Python and how to install the IDE PyCharm. So just double click on your desktop icon for PyCharm and our IDE will open up. Here we have to create a new project and we have to give a suitable name for the project. So I will give basic Python and just click on the create button. This will take some time to create a new project. So as we can see, our new project basic Python has been created, but we do not see any Python file within it. So we'll create a new Python file. Just right click, say new and Python file. We have to give a suitable name. So today we are going to do a program of Hello World, which is most common when we learn any new programming language. So I will give the file name as Hello World. So as we see, the new file hello world.py is created. Py stands for the Python extension. This is a Python file. In many of the languages, when we write the hello world, we have to first insert the header files, we have to insert certain libraries, and only then we can proceed with writing the hello world. So in Python, it is just a simple one-line statement which says that print hello world, and the hello world will be printed in the console. So let us try that. Also for the new installation, as you can see, I have a Python 3.7 interpreter. So just in case it shows no interpreter over here, you just have to do add configuration and select the Python 3.7 interpreter. So let me just print hello world. This simple line will print the hello world in the console. So for running this, I have multiple options. I can just click here and say run, which will run the entire project. I can just right click on this file and say run hello world, which will just run this particular file. So for now I will do this, and also you can use the shortcut Ctrl Shift F10, which will print hello world. So I'll just click on this. So as we see, hello world has been printed in the console. So in the next session we will see how to use basic arithmetic operations and what are the different data types in Python. Do like the video and share it with your family and friends. If you have any queries, feel free to post it in the comment section. We will be glad to help you. Thank you so much.